I was being honored. I really wanted to wear like a beautiful couture piece. This was Ralph Lauren, of course. It was such a special moment, I remember, in the atelier with him himself. The Hindu ceremony was Sabyasachi, and I loved that he had like European influences in like Indian silhouette. So I wanted a really modern Western sort of silhouette, and these are vintage Banarsi saris that were stitched together to create this silhouette. The lace sleeves with the embroidery on the neck. Just running around, so I needed all my outfits to not be too heavy. And I remember I took off the tulle from underneath this because this was for the actual wedding. Ooh, love this outfit. It was just cinched in. It took 2 people to get me into this dress. The theme this year was superfine tailoring black style. So the tailoring was really, really impeccable in this dress. When I won this pageant, and I was wearing this custom dress by Hemant Trivedi, very prolific designer in India. This one, funny story. This was custom Delcourt. It was made specifically for this necklace. We like matched all our outfits together as a family. She worked with them and really customized each look for us as a cohesive look for the family. It was really cheesy, I know, but I really wanted to do it. I said, life is a sum of all its moments. Thank you for reminding me.